Step 1. Bench setup. First, sit on the bench. Adjust the backrest to a fully upright position. Keep your lower back and head against the pad. Step 2. Feet position. Plant both feet firmly on the floor. Keep your legs stable. Maintain balance throughout the exercise. Step 3. Starting position. Bring the dumbbells to your shoulders, keeping your forearms vertical. Lift your chest and brace your core. Press the dumbbells straight up. Step 4. Elbow position. Keep your elbows slightly forward. Do not flare them. Keep your forearms vertical. This targets the anterior deltoids, rotator cuff, and triceps. Step 5. Press the dumbbells. Exhale as you press upward. Push the dumbbells overhead. Keep the movement smooth. Step 6. The top position. Bring the dumbbells close together above your head. Keep your arms almost fully extended and wrists straight. Step 7. Lower the dumbbells. Lower them slowly and under control. Keep your elbows aligned to target the deltoids and triceps. Step 9. Controlled movement. Press were in a slow, controlled motion. Keep your core tight and maintain proper posture. Now, lower the weight back to the start with control. Step 10. Complete exercise. Press the dumbbells overhead, engaging deltoid, triceps, traps, and core. Lower under control to the start. Repeat for desired reps.